You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. The top word here is, of course, a type of pastry. We call it viennoiserie in French. And the bottom word is the actual same word, but in English. So the top word is pronounced in French as croissant. Some say it as croissant, especially the Americans, which is an accepted pronunciation in English. Okay, so croissant would be the more French pronunciation, croissant. But croissant also exists, and it's accepted. Now, the English word, which literally means the shape, of a croissant, which is crescent. Croissant actually means in French crescent, so it's just the shape, like you would say a crescent of the moon, that would be a croissant as well. So croissant or croissant or crescent in English. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.